So what happens finally? Means the conjurer's revenge was completed after destroying the belongings of the Quickman. The conjurer had succeeded in fooling the Quickman with his permission. Thus the conjurer took his revenge, and finally he took his revenge. As we have learned in the beginning of the chapter, this is a humorous type of story. So what is the humorous part in it? Humorous means at which we can laugh. ऐसी चीज़ जिसे सुनकर हमें हंसी आए. तो what is the humorous part in this story? So the humorous part of the story, the seriousness with which with which the conjurer asks for the various items of the Quickman. The conjurer kept up the suspense till the end of the show. He was maintaining the suspense by not letting either the Quickman or the audience realize that trick that he was performing at the end of the show was not a trick but the real destruction of the possession of the Quickmans. Means he performed his last trick in such a way, in such a clever way, that neither the Quickman nor the audience realized that this was not a trick, but he was actually taking the revenge from the Quickman. And at no point of time the Quickman was realizes that the conjurer was taking his revenge. मतलब मीन्स क्विकमैन को लास्ट तक ही मालूम नहीं हुआ कि कॉन्जरर जो था वो अपना रिवेंज ले रहा था, अपना बदला ले रहा था. सो व्हाट इज़ द मॉरल ऑफ दिस स्टोरी? So the moral of the story is that when we cannot appreciate a person, okay, when we can't praise anybody, then we should learn to keep it to ourselves. We should not discuss that our feelings to that particular person. So if we necessarily irritate or cause any harm to another person, we will have to face the consequences. If we do something wrong with others, then we will be ready to face the consequences also. So children, in real life, in our life, also we find such Quickmans or such type of troublemaker peoples in the course of our life. But the trick to succeed is to avoid such people and have confidence in ourselves. And when the right time comes, then try to prove yourself by taking the sweet revenge. So children, we must have to learn the art to face such type of troublemakers in our life, and this can only be possible if we have confidence, if we develop confidence in ourselves. Okay, so I hope this whole story is clear to you. So go through this chapter once again, and go through the videos that I have shared with you once again, and if you have any confusion and any doubt, then you are free to discuss with me. Okay, Allah Hafiz.